Good morning, lovely students.
Morning, Miss.
Okay, so before we start our class today, I will check your condition first. So if I say, how are you? If you're good in good condition, you can say, awesome. Understand? Yes? Okay, let's try. Okay. How are you guys? Awesome. Okay, cool. So before we start our class today, it's better to ask for praying together. For the class leader, Myla, you can lead us to pray. Myla,
Okay,
please.
Miss. Let's pray together. Begin. Miss.
Thank you, Myla. Before we start in our session, I will check your attendance first. Beliana,
Present.
Isnaini,
Present.
Shandana,
Present.
Myla.
Present.
Okay, good. Everyone is already here. So, before we start our class, it's better to warm up first to raise our spirit. Agree?
Yes.
Agree, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, so if I say hi, you can clap once. But if I say hello, you can clap twice. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, let's try first. Hi, hello, hello, hi, hello. Okay, cool. Everyone always focus on our class. So while I'm teaching and in our discussion session, if I say hi, you can clap once. But if I say hello, you can clap twice. Understand?
Yes.
So if there is someone who didn't listen to me and didn't focus, didn't clap or work, I will give it some punishment. Agree?
Yes.
Okay, understand?
Yes.
So you guys should be pay attention to me. Okay? Okay, cool. Okay, so yesterday we learned about what is sociology. Is there someone who still remember what is sociology?
Me.
Okay, cool. Isna, what is sociology?
Sociology is scientific study of society and human behavior.
Okay, cool. So basically, sociology is a scientific that learn about society and human behavior. Okay, so Shanana, can you mention it? What kind of society that we learn in sociology?
I think it's about family and friends, Miss.
Okay, cool. So I will try to complete your answer, yeah. So the kind of society that we learn in sociology are family, strangers, also group, and individually. Cool. Okay, I think everyone must understand what we learned yesterday, so we can jump into our lesson today. What we did learn today, so today we will learn about the introduction of class conflict. Before we start our class, I will ask you guys, have you ever seen people with privilege or not? Yes? Okay, so for example, people who can access the better education, and beside that, there is people who can access the better education. That's called inequality between people who privilege or not. Understand what I mean?
Yes.
Okay, so the root of class conflict is inequality and limited resources. That's called Karl Marx conflict theory. So, before we jump into the next session, I will tell you about who is Karl Marx. Next. Okay, so can you guess who? Who is it? The man with... No? Maybe Meliana? Have you ever seen him? No? Mela?
No, Miss.
In your magazine, Miss Shanana?
No.
Channel YouTube? It's
Never.
90? No? Never. Okay. So, what is him? Who is him? Next. He is Karl Marx. Who is him?
Karl Marx.
Okay. Can you please remind the face of Karl Marx? So, if I ask you, if I give you some picture, and if I ask you, who is him? You can answer it. Karl
Marx.
Okay, next. Who is Karl Marx? Next. Karl Marx, known as father is class conflict theory. Like that I said before, we learned about what is class conflict theory. So if I ask you, who is father of class conflict theory, you can answer it, Karl Marx. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. What Karl Marx said about class conflict theory? Karl Marx analysis of class conflict remains a foundational idea in sociology, political science, and economics. Why Karl Marx is important about class conflict theory? Because Karl Marx has snowball effect for three world foundation in the world, like sociology, political science, also economics. In a deep dive materials about class conflict theory, I will tell you in the next session. Okay, Karl Marx also has popular books which called the Communist Manifesto and Das Kapital. So if I ask you, what is the kind of Karl Marx, can you mention it what is Karl Marx books? So you can answer it, the Communist Manifesto and Das Kapital. Okay, understand what I mean?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Next. Okay, this is the people who has conflict and people with privilege are not. So next, what is class conflict? What is class conflict? This is the main our lesson today. So next, class conflict basically condition that arise with resources, status, power, or inequality. Okay, why I give it the red color? Because this is a keywords for our lesson today. So, the root of conflict is inequality, limited resources, status, and power. Okay, understand what I mean? Okay. Resources, status, and power are inequality distributed between groups in society, and that this conflict become the engine for social change. So, Karl Marx didn't just say about class conflict, also inequality, also limited resources, but also, Karl Marx also said about social change. For the social change, we will learn in the next week. Okay, next. Okay, if I say about class conflict theory, we also learn about what is social classes. Basically, social class have two classifications. The first one is proletarian, and the second one is bourgeois. So, who is proletarian? Basically, proletarian is class of workers who didn't own the means of production. So, Deliana, can you please pay attention to me? Okay, so there is time that you can say it and there is time that you can speaking and listening. So this is the time for you to listen to me, okay? Understand?
Yes.
Okay, cool, Deliana. So, what is proletarian, Brianna? Who is proletarian? Class of? Huh?
Do not own the means of production.
Okay, cool. So, proletarian just has labor to sell it into bourgeois. Proletarian basically didn't have any power, any status, and any resources to use to control others. Okay? Mostly, proletarian have lower life quality than bourgeois. Why? Because proletarian is people who didn't have any privilege. Understand? Is Naini understand what I mean? Okay, so is Naini, if I ask you, is proletarian have lower life quality than bourgeois? Is it true?
True.
Okay, cool. So the next section is who is bourgeois? Bourgeois is people or group who has control of the resources. You just remember, guys, what is the root of class conflict theory? Limited resources, also inequality. So bourgeois is people who has power, who has production, who has power, who have status, who have control for others. Mostly, bourgeois have power in society. So, for example, Chandana has a big factory. Wow, cool Chandana. Chandana has 100 employees, and Beliana is one of his employees. Chandana is bourgeois. Why? Because she has means of production, she has status, he has power, he has power, he has status, he has control to his factory. And Beliana is one of proletarian because she didn't have means of production. She only has labor to sell it into Chandana. So if someday Chandana cuts your salary, it's the instruction that you cannot refuse. Okay, so bourgeois can control others, especially proletarian. Chandana can control you because you are his employee. Understand? Okay. So in this case, who is proletarian? Chandana or Beliana? Okay. So who is bourgeois? Chandana or Beliana?
Chandana.
Okay. Cool. So I think everyone will understand about who is proletarian and bourgeois. Next. Okay, the effect of class conflict. Class conflict, of course, has many effects for our words. Same like I said before, Karl Marx has noble effect for three aspects in the world, like political economics, also sociology, and the last one is economics. The first one is government for employee rules. In Indonesia, we have employee rules included the working hour, also the off day, and many things that included the employee rules. So why employee rules is important? Because if there is not employee rules, it will be occur the exploitation between proletarian and bourgeois. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. The second one is proletarian revolution. It can causes the International Worker Days. Did you know about International Worker Days? Mela knows? No? Okay, so I will tell you. But what is International Worker Days? International Worker Days always held in every 1 May. This is to celebrate the fight, also the effort of proletarian to fight the bourgeoisie. Okay, understand what I mean? Okay. The last one is International Workers' Day created. Okay, same as I said before, proletarian revolution it has a result is International Workers' Day created. Okay, understand the effect of class conflict are Beliana, you can mention one of them. Government for employee rules. Also, the second one effect of class conflict is Myla.
Proletarian revolution.
Okay, and the last one is Isnaini.
International Workers' Day.
Okay, jump into next section. Okay, cool. It's quiz time. So I think guys, you can just understand about what is proletarian, what is bourgeoisie, what is class conflict, who is Karl Marx. So you just can open your phone and scan the barcode and share your answer and write them all down. Okay. For the operators, you can open the link of barcode. Cool. Can you please read this one by one? Shandana, maybe one of this. Your answer.
Karl Marx is father of class conflict theory.
Okay, cool. Isnaini?
Proletariat is people who didn't have any power relation and production ownership.
Okay, Myla, what is your answer?
Bourgeoisie is people who has power and research, production, ownership.
Okay, the last one, Beliana.
The root of class conflict is eliminate oneself.
Okay, cool. I think everyone will understand about what is class conflict theory. Okay, next. Back to our materials. Okay, cool. Next. Okay, before we end our lesson today, is there any question? No? Any question? Okay, cool. So, are you happy guys today?
Happy.
Okay, you understand what we learned today?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So, before we end our session today, I will give you some tests. Group test. So, this is the group 1 and the group 2. For every one group, it consists of 2 students. Shandana and Isnaini and Myla and is with Beliana. Okay, so basically this is the kind of literature. You can answer it and you can discuss with your partner after my class. Okay, after my class. Okay, cool. This is for you for the group 1 and this is for you for the group 2.
Thank you.
Okay, cool. Jump in the next session. Okay, discussion time. This is for last and the closing statement for me. Before we end our session today, you can discussion after my class, like things that I said before. Okay, so everyone, thank you for your attention for my class. I think that's all for me. I hope you guys can deep dive learn about what is sociology, what is class conflict theory, and for next week we will present it about your task, okay, in front of the class. Understand what I mean?
Yes.
Okay, and we will learn deep more about what is class conflict theory, who is Karl Marx, also social change. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, that's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.